Tlmods are tools for TouchDesigner. Next to the timeline transport button, you will see the TouchLab logo. Click on it to activate the tools. Then click on the gear icon. The settings page will open. You can also press the pause button to see the manual. Let's start with the first mode, Show Related OpsHide. This mode lets you select an operator and press the key 1. It will hide all operators that are not linked by a wire or an expression to the select operator. This helps you see your network more clearly. Mode 2, Connect Wire. This tool lets you connect operators quickly. Select an operator, press the key once to save it, and then select the target operator and press the key again. Both operators will be linked. Mode 3, Cut Wire. This tool lets you disconnect operators simply by holding the key and moving your mouse over a wire. Mode 4, Insert.Disconnect OpsHide. This tool lets you insert an operator into a wire chain. Select the operator, drag it until it touches an existing operator, and press the key. The operator will be inserted between the two. You can also remove an operator from a chain. Just select it and press the key. This also works with multiple operators selected. Mode 5, Copy Error and Warning. This tool lets you copy error or warning messages directly to your clipboard. Select an operator with an error or warning and press the key. It also works if you select a comp with multiple errors inside. Mode 6, Get Table DAT Cell Reference. First, make sure you have selected a table operator. Open the viewer and choose the cell you want to get the reference. Add your symbol at the end of the text or the value contained in this cell. Click anywhere outside the operator. The reference to that cell is immediately copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it into another parameter. Mode 7, Get All Info. This tool lets you select an operator, press the key 7, and copy all its information to your clipboard. You can also customize the shortcut keys. Don't forget to save your project after making changes. If you want Tlmods to appear in all your TouchDesigner sessions, go to Settings and set Custom Startup File to point to the Tlmods TOW file. Then save.